Step number 4 is beyond prototyping. Usually, your first iteration or your first design is not your final design. You're going to come up, especially if you're working in an agile environment, your first design will change a lot depending on your project management as well. So, in order to gather stakeholder comments or your co-designer comments, Figma has a very handy tool. Right now, if you're going to look at this one, it means we have two users on the same file. Now, if I want to comment, for example, in this part, I can just click this icon here, the add comment icon. I click C, and I can like put comment, for example, this is not centered, or maybe can we increase the body copy. So comments like that, so they are very handy, and if you're going to look, those comments will be there and you can reply, and if they are completed you can just click check and they're done. So that is the power of collaboration in Figma. If you want to share a link, you can just go to share. If you want to share this view, this dashboard view, go to share. Then anyone with the link, copy link, and then just give them the link. If you want to share the view here, for example, you don't want your stakeholder to be viewing this file. For example, if you have a lot of components there, it would look very disorganized. You just want to show them your final output, which is this one. You want to give them, you want to ask for their feedbacks. Okay, so to do that, go to the preview and then share prototype. When you share the prototype, just copy this link and then send it to your stakeholder. So again, there's two. Share, if for example you want to share it with your co-designer so they can edit, or you can share prototype, meaning they can view this prototype. So that's how you share. Okay, so congratulations, you made it to the end. So to recap what we have done during the session, we have very much discussed majority of Figma functionality and their basics. There are a lot more to learn, a lot more to explore. But congratulations to you, you may pat yourself in the back because you have created a wireframe, a lo-fi prototype, and of course the hi-fi prototype of our Suriv landing page hero section. One step at a time, don't worry. So for the hero section, we have discussed the editor dashboard, the design files, how to upload, how to create. We've also introduced the concept of frames, shapes, how to add a fill and a stroke on any elements, how to duplicate, how to copy paste. On the second step, on our lo-fi, we have discussed how to group, how to align and distribute both text, elements, images. And we have also discussed the functionality of typography through the text tool. After that, we have introduced visual design. This is the graphic design part of the UX, which whereas we have learned how to add images, how to add effects, how to auto layout objects, how to add constraints, how to prototype, how to give links, how to share, and of course, how to utilize the different plugins. Congrats!